The Assembly GOP presents Real Bills of Genius.
Real Bills of Genius.
Today we salute you, designators of the official state steam locomotive.
The John Bull Train Recognition Act.
While NJ Transit collapses under its own schedule, you ask the obvious question: has New Jersey officially commemorated a 19th century steam engine?
Our prayers have been answered.
Assembled in Bordentown in 1831, it proudly carried members of the legislature back and forth to prove trains were useful.
Let's freedom rail.
Sure, it hasn't run since Grover Cleveland was president. Sure, it lives in Washington D.C, but today, it lives in our hearts.
We choose you.
So salute the sacred smokestack and raise your conductor's cap to this brave little engine that showed everyone it could.
The John Bull